What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this is actually our third video in a row. Third video in three videos in 3 days, which I'm pretty proud of. I think that's pretty cool. So this video we'll be talking about one of my favorite product research methods. I use this method every single day. It's 100% free. It's very easy to use. You can do it anywhere you want and everyone can do it. It's very simple. I think the biggest thing is that it's free. You don't have to pay for software to find trending products or anything like that. So honestly, really what it comes down to is just going through your Instagram and your Facebook feed. It's a very, very simple method, but extremely effective. Now, there's a couple of things you want to look for, and we're going to get into that, but essentially what it is, it's literally just scrolling through your Instagram feed. So I have multiple accounts. I have multiple businesses, multiple personal accounts, or like my business page, my personal account. So I have a lot of Instagram accounts, and like obviously my brother, my mom, everyone has an Instagram account. So I'll go through all mine, my brother will go through his, and just scroll through the feed. Just simply scroll through the feed. And you'll come across ads, like Facebook ads, just the exact ads that you run. But what you want to look for is stuff that has a lot of views. So if you see an ad that has, say, I'll go through some examples. This one I'm looking at right now has 1.8 million views. So what that tells me is that this ad is being pushed a lot. Normal CPM is like cost per 1,000 impressions is about $10. So you can do the math and see how much money they're spending on this ad. And if they're gonna be spending thousands and thousands of dollars, then you know that they are making money on that. So you know that this product is making the money if they're putting that much money and time and letting this ad run this long. And the cool thing about it is you're never gonna find untapped products with this method, because if you're seeing an ad on your feed, then that ad is running right now, right? So you're not gonna be finding or trying to get like tap out products, because no one's gonna run an ad if it's not making the money. That's the cool thing about it. If the ad's not active, if it's not running, you're simply just not gonna see it. But every single ad you see on your feed is being ran right now. So just here's an example. So I just scroll through my feed and find stuff like this. So here's actually a product. Let's see, there we go. Here's a product. It's a dog toothbrush type thing. So it's like a dog toy, but it cleans their teeth. You can see how many views it has. It has 1.8 million views. And my roommate actually sold this product, my business partner, Chris. He actually sold this product. And I mean, let's see, it focuses. He was making good money. He was making about, I think about $1,000 a day with this exact product. And you know, it's just a very simple method to find untapped winning products. And yeah, I mean, look for stuff like this video right here. I found this one on Shopify actually, but I saw an ad for it. Look how many views it has. It has 4 million views. It's just an extension for your hose, but it kind of acts like a pressure washer. So stuff like that it's extremely valuable, because I mean, for 4 million views, you know they're dumping out some money, and it's definitely making them quite a bit of money. I guarantee this product's making them $50,000 to $100,000 a month. And the fact that they're still running this at 4 million views, they definitely put some money into it. It's definitely bringing them a large return. So right now, just go through your feed, take the next 25 to 30 minutes and go through your feed. If you have multiple accounts, go through those feeds as well. Get your mom to do it, because the reason why you want to have multiple accounts or multiple people going through the feed is simply because every single account has different interests. So if you're just going to go through one feed every time, you're going to get the same type of niche or same type of products. So for example, like my business page, my business Instagram page that most of you guys follow, that I see a lot of ads for dropshippers or for people selling a course or something like that. So, you know, I'm not gonna get many dropship products. I'm not gonna get, like, all these right here are not on that page. It's on a different page. So that's kind of why I go on different accounts, because like my personal, I'll get stuff just in a completely different niche. It's not dropship, or it's not it's not like influencer type stuff for dropshipping like I get on my business page. But so, it's good just go through your page. So take the next 25 to 30 minutes and go through multiple accounts and just simply scroll through your feed. I guarantee you will find an ad that has decent engagement. And don't just look at the views, look at the comments. It's like, I mean, I have a couple examples in here. The ad has like 50,000 views, but the comments are ridiculous. The comments are like, you know, multiple per hour, or per 30 minutes, whatever. It's just a lot of comments for the amount of views it has. And that's what I look for. So if people are tagging their friends, if they're saying this is cool, this is awesome, then that's something I definitely am interested in testing. One of my best winners ever, that product, I saw an ad for it that had, you know, probably had about, actually it wasn't a video, it was a picture ad. It had about 5,000 likes on it, but people were commenting, tagging their friends a lot, very, very often. And I saw value in that product, so I just simply tested it and it blew up. But I found that product through this method. And that's why I like it so much. And the fact that it's free, you don't need to buy Shopify membership or Pexta membership or any of those softwares. That's not necessary, which is, that's why I like it a lot, because anyone can do it. It's very, it costs no money and it takes no time. It's just simply just scrolling through your feed. But a lot of people just won't really look for this kind of stuff. So definitely keep an eye out for it. And maybe your page is not getting the ads that you want to see. Maybe it's getting just completely irrelevant ads and it's not dropship products. So just make a new page, or you should have a page for your business. So maybe through that you'll see ads that are related to your business, and maybe that those products you can sell on your business, which would be pretty cool. So maybe you have a health and beauty store, and your post, you're looking stuff up about that niche. Maybe in your feed you'll have stuff in that niche. You'll see other dropship products in that niche, and that's stuff that you can go after. And obviously the other half of this. And obviously the other half of this is simply just Facebook. Just scroll through your Facebook feed, or, yes, you can definitely look up like 50% off today only, or get yours now, or, get your offer now, or something like that in the search bar, and search for ads that way. That's definitely an effective method, but that will still show ads that have ran in the past and aren't really running right now. So I do like to just go through my feeds and find ads that people are running right now, because that shows me that the product is making money right this second. It's making money right now. So if I go and test this, it definitely has potential. There's a market for it. It's honestly, it's a bulletproof method, because if you see someone selling a product, you sure as hell can sell this product. Like, if you see someone making money from a product right now, you can do the exact same thing. It just comes down to finding the audience. So if you see a product doing good on your phone, on an Instagram page, try to sell it, test it out, and just keep testing it until you find an audience for it. It's very, very simple and very effective. I don't really see many people talking about this, which I'm not sure why. It's an overall good method to start with, and I think it's great for beginners because you can do it wherever. It takes no time and it's very simple. So, but yeah, that's honestly about it. There's really not much else to it. So what I'll do is just a little recap, go through my Instagram feed, find ads, find sponsored Instagram ads that people are running on Facebook, and find ads that have a lot of views, a lot of comments, just a lot of engagement. And the reason why is I can see if it does have a lot of views, a lot of engagement, I know that they're putting a lot of money into it. If they're putting a lot of money into it, then it's making them a lot of money. And they're not going to be like any ad you see on Instagram is running right now. It's still active. So they're not going to be, running that ad if it's not making the money, if it's not profitable, especially if it has millions of views. So I'll just go through my feed, I'll save the post, and I literally have an endless supply of products to test. I'll never run out of products to test, honestly, because I have so many saved up. And you can see if they're active or not. If it still says sponsored when you save it, then it's still active. They're still running that ad at the moment. So honestly, that's about it. It's nothing crazy, but it's definitely useful and very effective. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely take action on this and just try it. Just go through your feed for 30 minutes and see what you can find. And if you do find a product, let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, if you want to, maybe you're not sure if a product is worth testing or not, you can always shoot me the product on Instagram, and I'd love to get my feedback on it. Any questions at all, honestly, about your store, about products, about your ads, I'd love to answer them. Just shoot me a message on Instagram, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And that's another thing I just want to touch on real fast. Like, my DMs are completely flooded, so I do try to get to as many as I possibly can. So I usually answer DMs in the morning and towards the end of the night. So around like 6 or 7 o'clock. Those are I take about an hour, 2 hours to go through DMs and try to get to as many people as I can, like I said previously. But just don't feel like I'm ignoring you, or don't feel like I don't want to talk to you, because that's not the case by any means. I try to get to, again, as many people. It's just, it's very hard, and it's definitely a lot. So, but I don't want anyone to feel that I'm ignoring them or anything like that. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely please take action on this and let me know how it goes. Like I said, if you have any questions, please comment down below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. That definitely helps out this channel a lot. So far for the past 3 days, a video has been uploaded, which I'm very proud of. But if you wanna see more, definitely subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video.